episodes of which now we are going to learn physical change and chemical change using experimental and hands-on activity. Physical changes. Physical changes are the changes in which physical properties such as shape, color, size, etc. get changed and no new more substance is formed. It can be either reversible or irreversible. For example, breaking of food. Now we are going to learn physical changes using experimental method.
When the solid substance is heated, it changes into a chemical. When the solid substance is heated, it changes into liquid form. For example, ice melts into water.
Sublimation. Sublimation is a process of converting a solid into gas without going through liquid state. Example, camphor. Reduction in size and shape. Breaking of a glass tumbler into small pieces involves only in change, size and shape.
Dissolution of a solid in a liquid. The sugar is sweet. It dissolves easily in the water. The sugar solution is also sweet, which means that the sugar doesn't change its basic property after dissolving in water.
Evaporation is a process of converting liquid into vapor at this point. Crystallization. Crystallization is the process of obtaining pure solid crystals having definite geometrical shape by heating.
Chemical changes. Chemical changes are changes in which one or more new substances are formed with entirely different chemical composition and properties from the original substances. Chemical changes are usually irreversible. For example, rusting of an iron. Now, chemical changes to the experimental learning.
Rusting of iron. Rusting of iron is a chemical change to form iron oxide.
Change in color. Some chemical changes can be recognized by change in color. For example, apple. Change in smell. Some chemical reactions can be recognized by change in smell. Example, a water lake. Evolution of gas. If baking soda is mixed with lemon juice, bubbles are formed showing the evolution of gas. Example, Coca-Cola, lemon juice, baking soda.
Milk. When milk is converted into curd, many chemical reactions involving proteins, organic acids and fat takes place.
Generation of light and sound. Some chemical changes can be recognized during the protections of light and sound. Example, crackers.
Various methods to prevent rusting. Coating iron with grease and paint. Coating iron with zinc. Coating iron with nickel. Various methods to prevent rusting. Coating iron with grease and paint. Coating iron with zinc. Coating iron with nickel and chromium.
Chemical changes with blindfold. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Try your blindfold. Okay, are you ready? I am going to give you one flashcard. You have to find it out whether it is a chemical or physical changes. Okay? Take the card. Sense yourself. Is ready? Amulya.
Dissolving of water in sugar. It is a physical change.
Super, excellent. And then? Sai Sharan.
Germination of seed is a chemical change.
It's a chemical change. Super. Yeah, Naveen.
Rotting is a chemical change.
Rotting is a chemical change. Super. Yeah, Danveer.
Melting of ice is a physical change.
Melting of ice is a physical change. And then who is ready? Yeah, Kayal.
Compression is a chemical change.
Combustion is a chemical change. Super.
Rusting of iron is a chemical change.
Rusting of iron is a chemical change. And then who is ready?
Drying of clothes is a physical change.
Okay, then who is ready? Yeah, Ishan.
Cutting of paper, it is a physical change.
It is a physical change. Super, excellent. And then, yeah, Raghu.
Cooking of food is a chemical change.
Cooking of food is a chemical change. And then, who is ready? Yeah, Deva.
Rippling of fruit.
Ripening of fruit.
Ripening of fruit is a chemical change.
Excellent. And then, Hitesh, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Digestion is a chemical change.
Digestion is a chemical change. And then, Jay Akash.
Boiling of water is a physical change.
Boiling of water is a physical change. Excellent. Jay,
Stretching of,
what is that?
stretching of clay, physical change.
Is a physical change. Super, excellent. Okay, Kapil.
Breaking of a glass is a physical change.
Breaking of a glass is a physical change. For all. Excellent.